We live, baby. We live. We live. We live. What up, world? What up, team? What up, family? It's your boy KLBK. I'm here with my boy, the hyper. Ooh, Tron, the sniper, who be sniping the markets. Today, we want to talk to y'all about crypto. It's crypto big. Tron, what's going on, man?
Hey, what's going on? What's going on, everybody? What you doing?
Man, bro, like, hey, everybody been talking about this crypto, man. We got to let people know. I want to give them some sauce, let them know about, crypto securities, what they need to know, the 12 word phrase. Like, people think they really own security on some of these platforms, but they have no idea. They don't own these assets, man. So, I know a lot of things been going on Twitch, and people have been losing crypto. They don't have access to the crypto. So you want to talk on that a little bit, bro?
Hey, so crypto is it's fairly easy to own. Once you grasp a mindset of owning and discipline about it, then it's pretty easy to hold it, and you don't got to worry about anybody stealing. So first thing you want to do is just make sure you get something that's DeFi, meaning you want to get something decentralized that the government can't touch. And when you put your assets on the DeFi platform, you get to own that asset. So you get phrase keys, which you'll get 12 of them. It'll be
Yeah,
12 words, which you
yeah.
have to write down somewhere securely, you know. I advise you put it in a notebook and put it somewhere away from fire, water, mold, mildew, whatever you don't want to lose it because once you get the ball rolling and your portfolio start going up, you don't want to lose those
Hey, so
freight keys.
hey, so you say put that notebook in a safe somewhere.
Yes, sir. Put in the safe.
Yeah, man. A lot of people been talking about, Robinhood, and we've seen what's been going on with Robinhood, but you know, we want to let y'all know when y'all go to Robinhood, y'all don't own those assets.
Nope.
So meaning when it's time for you to cash out that crypto and you want to move that crypto somewhere else, they're just going to give you the fiat currency of what that asset is worth. They're going to give you that dollar amount, and that's not good. You actually want the asset, you want the crypto, you want the Bitcoin. We're going to talk about Bitcoin because everybody knows Bitcoin, but if you buy Bitcoin on Robinhood and you try to move it to another broker, another exchange, you're not going to be able to do that. They're just going to give you that dollar amount. And why is that so important? Prime example, let's just say Bitcoin's at $100,000 a coin, right? It's at 100,000. And then it starts retracing and it hits 70,000. You want to cash out or you want to move it to another platform like i.e. Coinbase, where we buy cryptos, and there's some other ones out there where you can buy crypto where they're legitimate websites where you actually own the assets, i.e. Coinbase is one of them. But if you decide to move that crypto and it crashes down to 30 or it increases up to $200,000, your value is not going to increase because you cashed it out for a dollar amount from buying it on a website that doesn't give you the true asset because you don't have the 12 word phrase, what he was just talking about. When you get crypto and when you're on one of these websites that we're talking about and you have that 12 word phrase, that's how you actually know you have that asset. How do you get that phrase? You have to go to certain websites, certain brokers, that will give you that 12 word phrase. So one of the things I also want to talk about, let's talk about security, like, because we know a lot of people are using what, Google and Yahoo for their email accounts, and they're attaching crypto to that. Is that a safe thing to do, bro?
No, that's not a safe thing to do.
Bro, give them the sauce, bro. Give
At
them the
all.
sauce.
Look, this is what you want to do. You want to go download or join protonmail.com. Protonmail.com. It's a Swiss email account. Um, it's got the 12-bit authenticator. You can put your Google authenticator to it. They give you more added security to it.
2FA is on there.
Yeah, 2 8 phase. It's got a lot of security on it. You got a free account on there, or you can upgrade it. It's at your discretion. The free account work fine, but if you want a little bit more security, you can upgrade it. I think it's like $5 a month or something like. It's not too much. It's not too much, but it's a great email to store anything dealing with money, crypto, your bank accounts, if you're doing stocks, anything that's dealing with money, period. You want to use this proton.com email. for all of that.
Absolutely, yo. Hey, so pro with what he's talking about with Proton email, it's one of the most secure emails that you can use. And why this is so important is because you got a lot of these, and I know you guys see it too. We got a lot of these people coming out, these hackers. They're trying to question you about certain things. You know, me being in the military prior service, we were taught about phishing. That's all they're doing. They're phishing for information, trying to get a little piece here, a little piece here, so they can get access to your email account. Once they gain access to your email account, there's nothing stopping them from getting into other accounts that you have, i.e., dealing with crypto, i.e., dealing with your money and anything like that. And it's funny, and because prior to me even getting into this space, you know, I had a lot of my stuff tied up to Google's and Yahoo and everything like that, not knowing any better. But once I learned about this encrypted email and the encrypted services that they provide, now all assets are tied through that because that is the most secure. And the thing is, if there's anybody who's trying to get into your emails, you have to authorize it from your phone. Like Tron was just talking about that 2FA, you're going to get a notification to your phone letting you know what's going on. With that being said, my boy got these charts marked up, man. Try, man. Tell me, bro, like, let the people know how much knowledge and experience you've gained from being a part of this wealth community and learning how to look at these charts and mark them up and so forth.
So man, it's been great to learn what I come into so far. So um, can you see it? Can
Oh,
you
I
show?
got it. We ain't gonna show it yet. We're gonna do a commercial. We gotta go pay some bills here in a minute.
Okay. Well, we're gonna get it all show. We're gonna talk about a little bit about Bitcoin,
Okay.
and probably a little bit about ETH, and we'll look at XRP.
Woo! With that being said, we'll be back. Y'all about to run this commercial because we gotta go pay some bills. It's your boy KOBK and Try, baby. All right, we back. We back. I had to go pay some bills real quick, man. You know, they was about to cut the internet off. I had to go pay that bill, Try. Nah, man, but seriously, yo, Tron, go ahead, man. I'm gonna go ahead and we talked about the security. Let's give them a little bit more sauce, bro. Let's show them what it's like to look at these charts.
Okay. All right. Let's go to. We'll look at Bitcoin first. So looking at Bitcoin on the 15-minute chart. Well, first let's do it the right way. We want to pull it out. We're gonna look at it on the 4 hours first. Some people like to go back to a day. You can take it back to a week, month. You know, we'll look at the week. Get this thing set up here. So all right, Bitcoin. As you can see, we topped out up here around 58,000 area. I mean 69. I'm sorry, 69,000 area, 68, and so put a fib on it, going down to our lowest low, going to the highest high. And as you can see, Bitcoin had already retraced down to our, let's pull it out a little bit more, you can see it a little bit better. It already retraced down to our 618 and our 50% zone, which is our sweet spot.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, get this boxed up here real quick. Actually, we deep. And this is on a weekly time frame too. Remind you of that. So, so I'm gonna move the field. So as you can see, Bitcoin is set up in a pretty good spot if you wanted to trade it. Looking at it out in a week time frame. As you can see, when Bitcoin dropped from 68,000, it came all the way down and touched 41,000. Then we came back up to this area where I got this red line drew at, which is a good resistance zone. It came up and hit this zone. We kind of been stuck in between, well, in between 46,000 and 51,000. So, which is a pretty good place to be at if you're considering trading it. Because how I got drew up here, as you can see, red line support would make it give a better picture. Change this to green and red. So our green line is our support, and our red line is our resistance.
Mm-hmm.
So now we will bring this into a 4-hour. Get a little better picture. As you can see, as you decrease the hours and the time frame, it'll give you a better picture. Now, looking at it now, you can see more as I got drew up with support down here in the green. And up here, I got this one colored green because once we break this red resistant line, this is not going to turn to support. We're getting that's a whole nother topic right there. That's a little bit more advanced when we get into stuff like that.
Somebody been in that academy. That's what I see.
But as you can see, Bitcoin has been dropping. Well, on the 4-hour, what we would call this is a downward trend. It's in a downward motion right now. It's selling off. So once we get down to this support line, we'll look at if Bitcoin drops to pretty much 45,000 and close on the 4-hour. It's probably gonna get ready to turn back around for a big push up. Because as you can see, let's go back because history already repeated itself. We got one touch right here. It didn't like it, pushed up, it came back, touched again, came up, touched our resistance up here at 47,000, came all the way down, touched again, it came back up, hit our resistance line right here at 47.3, and then it came and probably gonna touch again and gonna probably end up doing the same thing until we break out and hit this green line and break out. Let me see if I can. We do something like this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We like that. We like that.
It's something like this. Okay, and stop. There we go. All right.
So right now, you talking about a good retest and a breakout. That's what you're talking about right now.
Yes, a retest and breakout, exactly. Retest and breakout. And as you can see, I drew the trend lines up and it already broke the trend lines here. We haven't broke this top trend line, which is another good technical indicator to use while trading or looking at the market to try to see where price action is going. So right now we got price action just around here, around 45,000 and dropping, as you can see, on the 4-hour. So if we go zoom in a little bit more, go to the 15-minute, as you can see, Bitcoin is dropping. It's on the sell. So the sellers got the market right now. I drew this red line, this red box up here and outlined it. This is where all your selling pressure is up here. All your selling pressure. Meaning, once you see Bitcoin price get up here, if you bought down here around, let's say 46, well, I got this yellow line there, you bought it 46, and you rolled it all the way up around 47, it's a good chance for you to get out of that position, family, or you're probably going to pay the consequences and getting trapped up here and probably getting shorted out of that position, depending on where you got your stop loss set at, which most traders have their stop loss set on Bitcoin about 100, 150 pips from where they buy in it. So as you can see, 9 times out of 10, most traders probably would have bought in right here at 46.4 if they traded at 46.6, and they already got shorted out in their position.
Now, with that being said, that is not financial advice. You guys use your own technical analysis on that. to look at these charts. You know, you
Yes.
guys can definitely plug in with us as well. We are always looking for individuals who want to learn this skill for themselves and take it to the next level. So what we about to do is we about to take a commercial break real quick. When we come back, Tron is going to show you another one of the tools that we use, and I'm going to dive into that for y'all. That being said, it's
Yeah.
your boy, KOBK. We back, we back, we back. Hey, big bro, you ready to show them what we use, man?
Oh yeah, we'll
You,
switch it over to swipe coin. I'll let you touch on this one.
are we ready to show them what we have our hands on, how we're so successful in this space?
Let me refresh it for the
All right,
people.
okay,
Man.
okay.
Refresh it real quick. So all right.
Right on. So this right here, ladies and gentlemen, is one of the tools that we use. This right here is called Swipe Coin. This is a paid subscription for that. This is part of our academy. But what I want to talk about with Swipe Coin and why it's so powerful is that with this indicator, it literally tells you when to buy and when to sell. As long as it doesn't break that structure of that EMA, you can go ahead and you continue to take that trade either for a buy or for a sell. And as you see, there's many pips in there. So right now, at the end of that chart, it said sell. There's a red bubble that popped up for sell. It's beneath that yellow line. If you look to the right, it's going to give you your entry price of when you're going to put that trade in, and you write it all the way down. And the beautiful thing about this is that they always update this. So right there, as you see in that bubble, it says break up.
Yep.
It says break and close below 45,985. It's a confirmed sale. You guys, you see what happened. That candle closed below 45,985, and it's continuing to sell. That right there is one of the indicators that we have, one of the powerful tools that we use. So with that being said, if you guys want to know more about this, we'll continue to do daily updates on what we're doing. You can also get in contact with us so you can plug into this academy and learn how to really capitalize on this market, on what's going on, because there's so many individuals out there who want to know this information but do not know where to start. With that being said, it's your boy KOBK, and I'm here with who? My boy Tron the Sniper, baby.
Let's go, baby.
Let's get it, bro. Let's get it. I appreciate you, fam.